Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear learners. This is your English language instructor Dr. Noorul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm pretty sure that by now you have already done the bridging activity, and I want you to look at the reference slide for the correct answers. Now let's have a look at the B-LIFT, which says that write short sentences with basic personal information. Seems interesting, isn't it? Now let's have a look at the focus. And the focus says that we are going to study sentence structure. Now remember, every sentence has components, and we are going to read the simplest sentence structure today, in which there are three components. What are those? Number one is a subject, which is compulsory. Every sentence should have a subject and a verb and an object. These three parts are important, and all of these three parts join together to make a sentence structure. Now let's read it. A simple sentence consists of, as we have already discussed, subject, a verb, and often an object. Sometimes there is no object, but often it has an object in it. This structure forms the basic building block of English sentences. So, if you want to make an English sentence, you need to have all of these components first, because without these, you cannot construct a sentence. Now, what is a subject, my dear? The subject is the person or an animal or a thing or a place that the sentence is about. It tells who or what is performing the action. Now, what is a verb? We already know that verb is the action word. In the sentence, it tells what the subject is doing, and then very often there is an object. An object can be a person, an animal, or a thing, or a place that receives the action of the verb. Now look at the structure. If you want to make a complete sentence structure, you need to have a subject, part number 1, then combine it with verb, part number 2, then combine it with an object, part number 3. Now let's look at this example. In this case, the cat is a subject. Chased means followed is a verb. And what is the cat following? In this case, this is mouse, which is an object. Now, this is a complete sentence. Why? Because it has a verb, subject, it has a verb, and it has an object. Now, to check your understanding, you have to do this formative check in the class with the help of your teacher, in which you have to give personal information. For more practice, you have to go to the formative check, Thrive, which is B-LIFFT number 9 in your practice book, and this is what you have to do it at home with the help of your parents. I hope you have understood the formation of a simplest sentence structure. See you again in the next B-LIFT. Till then, bye-bye, Allah Hafiz.